Have you ever tried to run a Python script only to find that your graphs just won't show up? It's frustrating, right? If you've been wondering why the command %matplotlib inline doesn't work in your script, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery together. I totally get it. You write your code, you expect to see your beautiful graphs, and instead, you get nothing. You're not alone in this. Many users face this issue when transitioning from Jupyter Notebook to a standard Python script. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why doesn't %matplotlib inline work in my Python script?" They noticed that while it works perfectly in Jupyter Notebook, it fails to display graphs in their script. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's going on here? The command %matplotlib inline is specific to Jupyter Notebook. It tells the notebook to display plots inline, right where you run the code. In a standard Python script, this command doesn't apply, which is why you're not seeing your graphs. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to properly display your graphs in a Python script so you won't miss out on your visualizations. To address the issue with the %matplotlib inline command, the user should first understand that this command is specific to Jupyter Notebook. It allows for inline plotting within the Notebook interface. In a standard Python script, the user does not need to use %matplotlib inline. Instead, they should ensure that they call the show function to display the plots. Next, the user should modify their code by adding plt.show at the end of their plotting commands. This will ensure that the graphs are rendered when the script is executed. Finally, the user should run their script in an environment that supports graphical output, such as a local Python environment or an IDE that can display plots. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Matplotlib was released in 2003? It has come a long way since then, helping countless users visualize their data effectively. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to modify the line in your script. Instead of using %matplotlib inline, you can use getIPython, runLineMagic, matplotlib inline. This allows you to run your Python file as a module in a Jupyter Notebook. This method helps avoid the name error that occurs when getIPython is not defined. By running your script this way, you can successfully display your plots. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. This user explains that the command %matplotlib inline is specific to IPython and Jupyter environments. In these contexts, the % indicates a special command. However, in standard Python scripts, the % is used for different purposes, like calculating remainders. Therefore, %matplotlib inline doesn't work outside of Jupyter. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to call matplotlib.pyplot.show after your plotting commands in a Python script. This simple step will save you from a lot of frustration. And there you have it. Your graphs should now display perfectly in your Python script. Remember, understanding the differences between environments like Jupyter Notebook and standard scripts is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into data visualization.